In this video, I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT as a professional technical documentation writer to create clear, high-quality guides for various platforms. I'll start by providing ChatGPT with a specific persona and a set of instructions to ensure the tone and quality of the output remain consistent. I'm pasting a prompt that defines my role as a content creator named Josh and establishes the rules for the documentation, such as using simple language and logical step-by-step formatting. Once I send that, ChatGPT acknowledges the request and outlines the specific style and structure it will follow for all my future documents. Now, I'm asking it to write a comprehensive setup guide for a new user installing and configuring a WordPress website. As the text generates, I can scroll through to see how it covers everything from purchasing a domain and hosting to installing essential plugins and themes. The structure is very clean, utilizing bold headers and numbered lists, which makes it very easy for a beginner to follow without feeling overwhelmed. It even includes a final checklist to ensure the user hasn't missed any crucial steps. Next, I'll move on to a different topic by copying a prompt from my notes for a MailChimp tutorial. This time, I'm asking for a beginner-friendly guide on how to set up an automated email sequence. I'll paste that in and hit send. It provides a clear walkthrough on creating an audience, naming the automation, and setting up the trigger and delays. I'll scroll down to review the section on designing the emails and testing the sequence, which is essential for any professional setup. Let's try something a bit more advanced. I'm pasting a prompt to generate a technical reference document for a simple REST API. I wanted to cover the basic operations for managing blog posts. As I scroll through the output, you can see it includes the base URL, authentication details, and even specific JSON code blocks for requests and responses. It provides a detailed table for the resource structure and lists common error responses like unauthorized and not found, making it a complete resource for developers. Finally, I'll have ChatGPT create a troubleshooting and FAQ document for Google Analytics 4. I'm asking it to address the 5 most common issues beginners encounter when they first start using the platform. It produces a well-organized guide that identifies problems like missing data or confusing metrics and offers clear, step-by-step solutions for each. This shows just how versatile ChatGPT can be when you provide it with clear, structured prompts for your technical writing needs. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.